Hey guys! Alright, so there's a lot of things about me that you don't know. One of them is that I'm a real countryman by heart. Today I'm going to demonstrate that with you. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to climb a breadfruit tree. I'm going to pick breadfruit. And I'm going to share the haul with you. How is that? Alright, stay tuned. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of videos like these, capturing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. So watch this. So this is the breadfruit tree, guys. That's the breadfruit tree and I'm gonna climb. Pretty tall, right? And there's some lovely Jamaican breadfruit on it. Breadfruit, by the way, is loaded with a lot of nutrients. And we're doing all kind of stuff with breadfruit now, including making breadfruit powder, breadfruit porridge, breadfruit punch, breadfruit cake, breadfruit pudding. There's a link in the description to all of that. But today I'm gonna pick breadfruit. So stay tuned, alright? Alright guys, I'm in the top of the tree now. It's a beautiful view from here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Alright, so this is about, I would say probably about, what do you think of this? This is probably about, looking down to the root. That's probably about, that's Anne-Marie down there, way at the bottom there. That's probably about 90 feet to 100 feet. That's a lot of distance that I cover. Alright, I'm going to show you some lovely breadfruit, guys. Look at this. Look at that. 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 Alright. Look at this one. Look at that. 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 Look at this one. There's another one here. Beautiful, beautiful, lovely, 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 lovely. The breeze is blowing, make it even sweeter up here. It's a nice view, nice atmosphere. Alright, look at that. Look at this one, look at that one, look at that one, look at this one. This one is right by my hand, by the way. So I'm gonna pick this one. Alright, another one here. So right now I'm gonna pick at least 5 breadfruit. Ready breadfruit. That's one. The breeze is blowing heavily. I have to hang on tight here, but that's one. That's already one you'd see, right? That's another lovely one you'd see, right? Yep, beautiful one. Yep. And that's a ready one. This one is ready for the fire. But you know, you and I know that when they turn them nice, alright? Put it down for a couple of days and then put it in the fire, man. You don't want it to finish. Here's another one. Alright, all my breadfruit lovers out there, come on, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. I'm enjoying this, guys. So this is another one here again. So lots of breadfruit, a lot of them ready. A lot of them ready. Here's another one I'm gonna pick by hand. This one here. And then there are some younger ones out here. You can see them? Some baby ones here that not quite ready. But in a couple of weeks, probably another 4 weeks, 3-4 weeks, probably will be ready. Right? Yeah, so that's alright. So you saw me coming up the tree. What do you make of that? What do you make of that? I'm sure I surprised you, not true. So this is it. The breadfruit guy. By the way, do you know that breadfruit is extremely nutritious? Bet you didn't know that, right? I'll share some of the facts in the description below with you. But right now, my focus is on picking breadfruit, alright? So this is one here again. I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna pick this one right now. Alright. That's the baby there. That's the baby there. That's a baby there. Lovely. All right, watch your head, Anne Marie. Watch your head. I'm gonna pause. Be careful, and then I'm gonna pick some, and then I'm gonna get back down. And when I get back down, I'm gonna share the haul with you. How is that? Reasonable? You don't have to take care of myself meanwhile, right? All right, I'm gonna do that right now. All right. So for those who don't believe that, I'm in a tree, I'm in the top of a tree. All right. So let me show you next door. You can see the top of houses here, right? Right. Top of houses here. Yeah. So I'm in the tree, all right. 90 feet, 90 to 100 feet, I would say, above ground. All right. All right. So I'm picking this one. I'm gonna pick this one. All right. So here's another one. Here's another beautiful one. I'm gonna let me hold on here. Yeah, so let's this one. Let me there you go. Watch your head. All right, guys, I'm gonna make sure I catch this one. Here's another one here. This is a breadfruit stick, so that is where you try to catch it here. All right, and then you turn it. Watch your head, sister. And then you turn it, and then you all right. This one now I'm gonna pull with my hand. All right, last one, guys. Last one here. Let me just make sure I capture this one nicely. All right, so this is the last one here. Another beauty, wouldn't you say that? And they're yellow heart to you, the master. Lovely. Lovely. Alright guys, that's it. I bet I surprise you, right? Alright, what do you make of that? Drop a comment down below. Alright, so that's me climbing breadfruit tree. Let me share the breadfruit haul with you now. Alright? Alright, so there's a couple there. 3 of them there. Another one down there. Another couple over there. Another one here. And another one up there. Let me pull it together for you. This is the haul. Nice one here. 2 here. 3 here. 4 here. Sister Anne Marie's assisted me. 5 here. 6 here. 7 here. Oh, that's a lovely one, right? What do you make of this one? This one ready for the fire. Yeah, man. This here burst. Ready for the fire. Ready for the fire. Alright. And then this one, this is an interesting one. This one is more than ready for the fire. This one here. Look at that. Alright, turn. We call this turning, man. When you when this one roasts, you don't want it to finish, you know. It have a nice texture, soft and a little bit sweetish. Alright? So that's it. I actually have a video. I have an article. There's a link in the description below about breadfruit and all the amazing health benefits of breadfruit. You're gonna be surprised. So make sure you check it out. So this is my haul, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lovely roasting breadfruit. What do you make of that? Drop a comment down below and share that with me. I'd love to hear from you. This is it, my breadfruit haul. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these, my adventures on what I call the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. This is the real Jamaica. Share this video and lighten someone's day. This is the stuff we do. Oh, one more thing, guys. If you're interested in this or any of my adventures, any of my tours, my contact information is in the description below. Make sure you reach out to me. Let's see if we can arrange something, alright? Now, how do you like to have your breadfruit? Roasted, fried, or boiled? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. Right now, I'm waiting.